Welcome to Radivage Finance, and we are presenting Nasdaq predictions for both the indices, that is Composite Index, Nasdaq Composite Index, and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 21st April 2025 till 25th April 2022 by Radivage Finance. Dear investor viewers and our YouTube audience are very intelligent people according to us, I guess so. Are you believing in us? Apart from that, we are having another YouTube channel that is known as a Crypto Blush. Flush Crypto Blush, where we have given the predictions about the BTC. If you wanted to see the new target for BTC pricing in INR or in USD, our last video is about USD, which has boomed to the market. I mean, our last video which is about USD BTC price in USD still need to achieve the target. Apart from that, before that, I think in the month of June we have uploaded one video about BTC, and that has really gone well. I mean, that target has been achieved by BTC. BTC, okay, Bitcoin. It's not Binance, sorry. Apart from that, we are having a hot equity in the last week. Have you commented on our YouTube channel about the hot equity? And apart from, other than that, we have on cryptocurrencies. There are a number of videos are trending about Chain, Link, XRP, Ethereum, BTC, Binance, and not Binance. Sorry, so sneezing. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, so you can see that the market is literally booming, and how crypto market is also affecting nowadays. They are on the peak of the year, as we seen is a top trending one. I believe the market will fall after this. I mean, this will dump the market or pump the market in the next nearest future. Suppose it goes, the market will pump up according to Prithviraj Finance and Crypto Blush from both end, because the crypto as that going on well. So if you see the ministry, I mean not ministry, Trump uncle is also launching OKCoin. So we will give a review on OKCoin on our Crypto Blush very soonly. Just wait and watch how, when, where. I believe it 3 months back OKCoin has came to the market. I guess that time it was a trending. Now it is print media has given the details. So anyways, if you see, the Nasdaq Composite Index has closed around 20,895.66, okay, and 52-week high it is already given 20,980. So do you believe that the market will pump up or dump? What Prithviraj Finance think about it? You can watch in this video. Nasdaq 100 has given a new peak, that is 23,153.21, and Nasdaq 100 has literally gone well, as far as Prithviraj Finance has predicted somewhere around 100 points more. But right now, see, we will give a good amount of volatility over here, and how the Asian market is affecting, how the US economy is dominating the world economy as of now. So, do you believe it? Is it really dominating since last? Let me know into the comment what and how you think. Everyone say we are the bull, we are the bull, we are the bull. But who will run on the bull is more important. Hello. So right now, what we speak about it, the Nasdaq Composite Index has closed around 20,585.53 on the end of the day, while as I see 22,780.60 is closing for Nasdaq 100. in the chart as they have mentioned it. So right now we will speak about the predictions of Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 14th of July 2025 till 19th of July 2025. Minimum lower end it can goes up to Nasdaq Composite Index. It can touch up to 20,205 point. It can give some sort of stability around. My God, only just 150. I have increased over here 20,350 point maximum. It can goes up to 21,050 point. Nasdaq 100 can give it to you max minimum lower end 22,350 point. It can show some sort of stability around 22,550 point, and suppose it goes up, it can touch up to 23,250 points, guys. So do you believe, do you agree? And watch our previous video, in the link is into the description. Okay. So predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from the 21st April, July 2025 till 25th July 2025. Suppose Composite Index may fall down, it will touch 20,005 point, 20,000 USD. 20,005 USD, it gave you stability is 20,550 points. Suppose it cross the 21,000 pick of the week, pick of the year, pick of the month, it can cross 21,250. We can give it to here also. 21,550 is a maximum volatility we can align to this market. So Nasdaq 100 minimum lower end it can goes up to 22,350 points. I think I'm giving only 555 everywhere. Anyway, stability is, I can give it to you over here 22,000 to 550 points, and apart from that, suppose it cross maximum higher end, it can goes up to 23,250 points. Sorry, it can goes to 550 even over here. So I'm not giving in a return, but it is orally I can give the new target for the both the indices 21,550 and 23,550 points. So do you believe it? What will happen in this weekend? Check out and let me know in comments. Yeah, our subscriber are really have a steady state. I mean, they are freezed probably. So Bridgewage Finance say thank you for everyone, and apart from that, check out our Tesla video and the last week whatever we have uploaded. Hot equity means there are three equity we have uploaded, and the crypto blush you can see the June target is also there. I haven't see that. Very soonly we will upload a new video for crypto blush, flush crypto blush, and new videos are available on both the YouTube channel. Actually, it's a time consuming process, so that we are not uploading anything on our YouTube channel, and just check out what we can say daily. We are not like a crazy people who want 1 lakh subscriber on our crypto blush portfolio or on our Village Finance. We want the people who comes to us are intelligent, sustainable, not just a subscriber. Do you want us? We want one subscriber, that is Mr. Warren Buffett on our YouTube channel, and nobody else. Is it the joke of the day? I don't know, but I have never met him. Yeah, then a number of people who admire Warren Buffett from India, but I don't admire anybody. I mean, I believe it. You had to be a creator. You had to not to be the copier. Okay, so it's all about you, how you think. Anyways, guys, happy Sunday in today is Sunday in India. Anyways, happy Sunday and enjoy your holiday with loved one. I mean, your family, friends, or someone special. Bye bye. Bye bye.